Hey there, course creators. Looking to make selling your online courses effortless, with a smooth and simple registration experience for your students? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through how to connect LearnDash with Razorpay to streamline payments and enrollment on your e-learning site. Let's start with why this combo works so well. Step 1. Set up Razorpay. First, you'll need a verified Razorpay account. Head over to razorpay.com, sign up, and complete your KYC verification. This step is essential to start accepting payments. Once done, go to your Razorpay dashboard, and under Account and Settings, you'll find your API Key ID and Key Secret. You'll also need to configure a webhook. Don't worry, I'll explain why that's important in just a bit. Step 2. Connect Razorpay to LearnDash. Now, hop into your WordPress admin panel. Make sure LearnDash is installed and activated. Here's where you paste your key ID, key secret, and the webhook secret from Razorpay. Here's where you paste your key ID, key secret, and the webhook secret from Razorpay. If you're still testing things, enable test mode. But once you're ready to go live, don't forget to switch it off. Why the webhook matters. If you skip setting up the webhook correctly, payments might not reflect properly, and students could get stuck without access to their course. Not fun. So make sure your webhook URL is set up correctly inside your Razorpay account. Step 3. Configure your course for purchase. Next, go to LearnDash LMS greater than courses. Choose a course or create a new one. In the course settings, change the access mode to Buy Now or Recurring if you're offering a subscription model. Set your price, maybe 999 rupees, and if it's a recurring plan, choose how often billing should happen, monthly, yearly, etc. Razorpay supports subscriptions, but they can't be never-ending. You'll need to define a duration, like 12 months, or even up to 100 years if you want to. Save your changes, and boom, your course is ready for sale. Step 4. What the student experience looks like. Here's the cool part. When someone clicks Buy Now or Take this course, they'll enter their email and phone number, then get redirected to Razorpay's secure payment page. They can choose from UPI, cards, or wallets, whatever works best for them. Once payment goes through, LearnDash automatically enrolls them and even logs them in. No manual setup needed on your end. If a payment fails or someone asks for a refund, you'll handle that from your Razorpay dashboard, not inside LearnDash, so be sure to check that periodically. At this point, you're probably thinking, Wait, is it really that straightforward? Absolutely. Once everything is in place, verified Razorpay account, webhook configured, course access set, you're good to go. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow course creators, and hit that subscribe button for more practical e-learning tips. Got questions? Pop them in the comments. I'm here to help.